Kung hanap nyo ay comfort before take-off, may good news dito sa Clark International Airport. Ang Central Luzon Media Association o CLMA Pampanga Chapter ay nagdaos ng kapihan inside the Plaza Premium Lounge, isang pay-per-use lounge na open for all travelers kahit anong airline o class of travel ka pa. For only 2,800 pesos for 2 hours, you get access to unlimited food, wine, Wi-Fi, charging outlets at relaxing spaces. May nursing room, wheelchair-friendly restrooms, at kung gusto ng extra comfort, available din ang shower at smoking rooms for a fee. This August marks the 3rd anniversary of Plaza Premium Lounge at CRK at may bago silang campaign, The Art of Travel. Dito, ni-reimagine ang iconic artworks gamit ang AI, highlighting lounge services, meet and greet at limousine options.
It's great. I love this lounge. It's a big lounge. It's got really good food. It's got the coffee machine that works all the time. It's the people here are always great. They keep it really clean. It's immaculately clean. It's got all the facilities you want. So, yeah, I love this lounge.
Ayon kay MJ Bumanglag, Marketing Assistant Manager, the goal is simple, gawing artistic at premium experience ang bawat airport moment.
So the Art of Travel campaign seeks to transform our services into storytelling, each touch points inspired by iconic works of art and reimagined with modern technology. Through these AI-powered masterpieces that you could see behind me, we capture the essence of what travel feels like when you experience it with Plaza Premium Group.
At dahil celebration ito, enjoy 30% off on your lounge stay until September 22, 2025. Located sa Terminal 2 departure area, open daily from 7 a.m. to 3 a.m. Plaza Premium Lounge is your perfect pre-flight spot para sa chill, recharge at konting indulgence bago bumiyahe. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.